Ford Mustang wheel spacer can be installed as aftermarket parts. The Ford Mustang wheel spacers can help the vehicle with more modifications and upgrades, including the brake system upgrades, aftermarket wheel adaptation, cosmetic changes, better handling, and more. Ford Mustang wheel spacers offer easy and quick reposition adjustment, allowing the wheel to be moved outward to a specific position, usually first with the fenders, while ensuring the structural safety of the vehicle. The length of the vehicle will be fuller, giving the vehicle an aggressive and traffic appearance. Using Ford Mustang wheel spacers allow you to safely fit wider tires on your existing wheels, or upgrade to bigger wheels without rubbing against the frame. We have assembly or other suspension components, improving traction and handling even more. If you're looking to upgrade the wheels with Ford Mustang wheel spacers, then look no further than BONOSS. The BONOSS manufactures a huge range of Ford Mustang wheel spacers to fit a massive variety of different wheels and applications. Designed by professional mechanical engineers, these are made in an independent factory to the highest quality and are full of more than 66 HGS and TV test report. BONOSS also offers a choice of wheel spacer size from 15mm to 50mm. BONOSS Ford Mustang wheel spacers are all forged. The manufacturing process of forge made the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, and it has many outstanding characteristics such as high strength, wear resistance, excellent mechanism, impact resistance, and high temperature resistance. This metal has good mechanical properties. Compared to industry standards, the tree spacers that use low-quality materials are not strong enough and will default and endanger drive safety under strong impact. By contrast, BONOSS insists on producing professional Ford Mustang wheel spacers and professional standards, which are far higher than the industry safety. In addition, the BONOSS Ford Mustang wheel spacers are designed with heat dispersion boosts to make brake cooling better, distribute in pedal shape. These screws allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer where it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of acting as a padding heat for the braking system. There are small notches that distribute on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dispersion effect and improving road safety. Also, the BONOSS Ford Mustang wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives you peace of mind.
No AI was used in the creation of this video. All editing was done manually. See you in the next video.